What's going on, brother? Dropping off? Got some parts? This is dope.
Thank you.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
It's gotta be the nicest delivery truck I've ever seen. Stay safe, brother. Why in the world is this the most hated 911? We got 3 996s lined up, all 3 turbos, actually very different. So turbo, 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 but we got a convertible. This has 6,000 miles on it. 6,000 miles. This one I think has 20,000. I think this is one of the most beautiful Porsches. That's just my opinion. A lot of people like the car that came before. They don't like the headlights. I don't mind it, I really don't. It's really nice when we get to see some unusual stuff. And right here, we've got some really unusual stuff. This is the new Supra, the Mark V. Not everybody loves it. A lot of people think it's a rebadged BMW Z4, so I understand it. A lot of BMW parts in this. Japanese love for the JDM fanboys. That car is disgusting. This actually had some electrical issues, which is kind of a known thing with these Range Rovers. Realistically, what happened was the car just completely stopped working in the middle of the road, so we gotta fix that. Behind you, we have a Ram TRX, an American car, 700 horsepower. I didn't realize that. That car is insane. If you're a truck fan, you might call it a pavement princess, but we do everything. We don't just do the fancy stuff, we do everything. This car came in smashed. We had to get 2 new doors. So we took off the doors, took off the fender. Everything on the quarter panel had to come off. The bumper had to come off. The taillight you can see. Everything underneath. It's just starting to get put back together now. It's gonna be a brand new car, basically. We got this 599 here, Ferrari. It's like the gentleman's car, really. We have to disassemble that hood and paint it, and then it's gonna get wrapped. So it gets taken apart, everything gets stripped off of it, bodywork gets done, then we paint, sand, polish, reassemble, get it back to the customer. Spring is coming. We gotta get these cars out the door, polished, waxed, sometimes ceramic coated and PPF, and ready for the road.
Very cool project right here from one of my best customers and very close friends. This is Dave Allison's car. Dave is I wouldn't even say he's a Porsche fanatic. I would say he's a 964 freak. So Dave loves modified cars, but he likes RUF. RUF is one of the oldest tuners that's around. They were tuning 356s back in the day. That's how old they are. It's not like Singer, who started so much later, Gunther Works so much later. This is the OG when it comes to tuning, so he is going all out. He went to the factory, I think it was Pfaffenhausen, if that's right. So we have his car here. This is getting some serious roof treatment. This car was brought down to bare metal. Someone previous to us welded all the seams in this car, took out all the seam sealers, stripped it down. He's going as lightweight as possible. They removed the gutters. They made a mess. This thing was an absolute train wreck. It was really bad. We actually got some metal filler that you can't even get in this country. We imported this stuff from Italy. It's very hard to get. And we've done all the body work. This thing is super smooth now. So right now what we're doing is we're fitting everything up before we dismantle it one more time to do the final paint. And obviously we're gonna have to trim and cut these.
So we have a customer who has a 765 LC McLaren, which is an amazing track weapon. We just did a short on that. Check that out on Instagram. He also has a brand new Z06. This is not his, but he tracked both cars. He said that the Z06 is 1 second behind his fastest lap time in his McLaren. That says a lot about this car. This car came to us right from the dealership. We paint corrected it because even though a car comes right from the dealership, sometimes they have surface scratches, stuff like that, and the entire car was PPF. So now we're finishing up the wash. If you've seen a lot of the C8s, you know this car looks a little bit different. different front end. It's got a different body kit all around, way faster, completely different transplant. I love this car, I really do. Thank you for joining us. I'm who is Mikey is. You can find us on pretty much any social media platform. Like, comment, subscribe, download. Even if you don't listen every week, it really helps us a lot. We're gonna doing a lot of really cool projects coming up soon. Without you guys and the positive feedback that we've been getting over the past few weeks and months, I don't think that we would still be doing this. So a lot of love for you guys, and thanks for tuning in. Let's play some Mario Kart.
All right, first try lap.
All right, so we got Mike Rolla here. What is your dream 3-car garage, Mike?
Gotta have a pickup truck in there.
Okay.
I'd have to have a sports car and then maybe the wagon as well, an everyday user.
You a night person or a morning person?
Definitely a morning person.
If you could be any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose?
Sorry, I just went off the road here.
No, it's fine.
Fuck, the road went away.
That's the point. I'm trying to distract you a little bit.
If I could be any age, what would I want to be?
For the rest of your life.
I don't know because I haven't got to other ages yet, but I feel if I could get to a freedom point, it'd be cool.
Yeah.
But obviously, not obviously, but now in hindsight, man, college was great. Everyone says that when they're out of it, but it was.
Really
It was great. I want to go back.
1,000%. If you could choose one celebrity to be best friends with, who would you choose?
Dead or alive, definitely
Yep.
my guy, Paul Walker.
Hell yeah.
GT guy. Yeah, I mean, he's
a legend.
My guy, I like him. I'm a Too Fast, Too Furious guy. We're
Okay.
OGs. You
Hell
know what
yeah.
I'm saying, Mike?
I love it. What is your go-to breakfast order?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. We're from New York.
Salt, pepper, ketchup?
Salt, pepper, no ketchup.
Oh, dude, I'm a
crazy.
ketchup guy.
I know, crazy.
I'm a ketchup guy all the way. What's something that you couldn't live without in your life?
Car.
That's an
dog,
easy one. Hiking or video games?
Hiking. I don't play video games. Yeah, I lose. See?
Yeah. All right, so his fastest time,
Where am I?
38:36. It's not bad.
Mario. Oof.
That's not bad, man.
Not bad.
2 minutes and 4 seconds.